Okay, folks, so this is Shetz, and this is slide number 41, and we're going to use this diagram to the right here, and it says, is angle 5 and 4, are they supplementary? Well, supplementary means 180, and guess what? I can see a box right here, and a box means they're complementary. So again, obviously, that's going to be number 1, a no. So let me just erase that little bit there. And back to number 1 again. Yes, they are complementary because complementary does mean 90. So there you go there. Is angles 6 and 5, are they adjacent angles? In other words, are these angles next to each other? And if you look, here is 6, and I'll use a different color. Here is 5, and yes, this is their common side. They have a common vertex, so yes, that would be true. All right, we go to number 3 then. Are 1 and 2 a linear pair? Do they make up a line? Well, here's angle 1, here's angle 2, and yes, they do make up a line that would be a linear pair. All right, great. Let me erase those. And we'll go on to our next problem. Let me scroll this up a bit. And you guys can always go back and stop it or rerun it if you need to. Name a pair of vertical angles. Well, I have P, R, P. Let me get a line on this. P, vertical angles. These two, notice are across from each other. Great. That is RPQ and TPU. Great. All right. Now, there is another set there. And we have in purple, we have a RPT, this angle, and QPU, this purple and that purple. Notice their sides make opposite rays, and they are congruent. Great. Okay, name an angle supplementary to RPS. RPS. The only angle that is supplementary is this guy here, which is SPU. SPU. Great. Okay, that's good for that. Now we just have some, to start, remember that supplementary angles add up to, have a sum of 180, and a pair of complementary angles. Remember, complementary angles have a sum of 90. C comes before S, right there, and 90 comes before 180. Nice way to remember that. So what's an adjacent angle to TPU? TPU. We have some adjacent angles. Here they are. Whoops, sorry about that. We have a try that again. TPS. It is right next to it. Okay. We also have QPU. That's next to it. Look at orange and blue. They share the vertex. Great. And you might not have thought about this one, but how about we try this one? TPR. that is also next to it. And if we look, we'll get that out of the way. TPR in blue. TPR. Great, let's move down. I can't do 8 through 11. There is no picture. I started to make a picture and I can't get all these letters in. So we're just going to skip that. Number 12, name 2 pairs of angles that form a line. A line. Well, there's lots of answers to number 12. And I will show them to you. Try that again. NSO, that's the blue, and then the red, and then the red, NSR. They form a linear pair. Everybody happy with that? And we have lots more. Let's go down. Let's look at this blue one. NSO, right there. And the red one is OSQ. Look, they form a line. Look at that, a straight angle. Here's my line. Perfect. All right. And then we scroll down more. OSP. OSP, that's that guy. And the red one, PSR. Look, they form a line right there. Great. And while we're on that topic, let me just throw something else in here. You see this box? Guess what has to be on the other side? Yes, that is correct, the box there. So if PSR is 90, PSO is also 90. All right, just wanted to throw that in there. Let's go down here. NSP. This angle, let me make that blue. And the other angle, PSQ. I should do that in red so you can see the color difference. And notice they make a straight line. Perfect. They are a linear pair. All right, let's scroll down. There's more. Let's see. We have a QSR. That angle. And OSQ, OSQ. Look at the straight line. There you go. They're a linear pair. Let's see what else we have. QSR, that's same angle again. QSR, and then maybe I want this side of the red, NSR. Look at the straight line. I think that's enough for now. I don't know, maybe I forgot some. And name 2 pairs of angles that are complementary. Well, I see a box here, so it will be PSQ and QSR. And let's move this box away to see if I'm right. There you go. So PSQ and QSR. Number 12, there might be more answers, I don't know, but I only have 15 minutes of recording time. I'm sorry we could not get to problem 8, 9, 10, and 11, but there is no picture. There you go, folks. I will see you back on Monday. Have a great day.